Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be unboxing the Logitech MX Master 3 for Mac. Actually, this one, si MX Master 3 for Mac, this is the updated version or the second version or different edition kasi this is parang intended talaga for Mac users. Si MX Master 3 na unang lumabas comes with a black box. So this one, white box. Kasi parang napanood ko sa mga videos, parang marketing gimmick lang siya. Kasi alam naman natin si Apple products comes with white box. So ginaya lang nila din to para, yun nga, marketing gimmick para maisip mo na, ay, Apple din siya. Part din siya ng Apple. So, magbe-blend in siya sa Apple Store. And the second major difference is yung accents niya, kulay space gray. So, yung before, parang graphite yung color nun. A little darker than the space gray. So, this one, ginawa nilang space gray to match the Apple space gray color. But in terms of yung previous version, actually, in-advertise nila na pwede siya for Windows, pwede siya for Mac, and then meron pang kasamang dongle. Pero si MX Master 3 for Mac, talagang tinatarget nila na gagamitin mo siya for Apple products like the MacBook or the iPad. And wala siyang kasamang dongle kasi alam naman natin si Apple, wala siya talagang USB. USB-C na siya lahat. So this one, dahil ang intended use niya is for Mac, connected lang siya directly via Bluetooth. May mga napanood ako na sabi nila MX Master 3 for Mac pero tinry nila sa Windows and gumana pa rin siya. Kung sa Windows mo naman gagamitin, then I suggest kunin nyo na lang yung previous version kasi yon may dongle and receiver and this one wala. And then yon meron pang dalawang color na available. Si MX Master 3 for Mac, color black lang. Actually, pakita ko na lang pala muna yung box. So, sa harap, ito, kanina ko pa pinapakita, MX Master 3 for Mac, and then yung black, and then the accents of space gray color. At the side, ito siya. And at the back, MX Master 3 for Mac, Master Series by Logitech, and some description about the features. And yun nga, connected lang siya directly via Bluetooth. Pero ang charging niya is via USB-C quick charging. Okay, let's do the unboxing. So ganito siya binubuksan. Okay, ito na siya. Meron siyang MX na nakasulat na black din, and then Logitech. Okay, so, wow, ayan na siya. Okay, let's put the mouse on the side first. Let's check the other items. So, ito yung, wow, may instructions. Ito muna, MX keys for Mac. So, meron silang keyboard na partner ni MX Master. So, this is also for Mac. So, ayan. Maganda rin yung keyboard nila. Actually, if hindi ko kukunin nyo si Keychron, si MX keys for Mac yung gagamitin ko. Apart na mas mura siya sa Apple keyboard, mas maganda siya kay Apple keyboard kasi si Logitech MX keys meron siyang light, backlight. Si Apple keyboard wala. So pag madilim, you know na. So here's the USB-C. Si USB-C for charging. And then some instructions. That's it. Actually, ganda ng calling card. Calling card talaga. Okay, so here it is. Ganda. Ayan. Okay, so first impression on the mouse. Hindi siya ganun kabigat. Meron ako ditong Logitech din na Logitech M331. So ito yung gamit ko pang work. So, a little heavier than the Logitech M331, si MX Master. And then, this one, yung black part, yung texture niya, is parang rubber. And then, this one, yung left click tsaka right click niya, is plastic na. So, ASMR. Ito na siya. And then yung scroll wheel on the side. And then, ito daw, button din to. This part. Ayan o, nape-press din siya. And then, here's the USB-C port. Meron siyang instructions. This one. So, yung features niya, it can connect up to 3 devices simultaneously. So, you just need to click on the switch. Pwede mo siyang iset. Ang gagawin ko, si 1, set ko kay MacBook Pro. And 2, set ko kay iMac. And yung 3, not sure if pwede siya sa work laptop ko. Okay, removing. So, here, as you can see, MX Master 3 for Mac. On-off ng Bluetooth. Ito yung laser sensor. And then yung switch, so that you can connect it to at least 3 devices. Ang ganda ng feeling niya sa kamay. Kasi yung, if check nyo yung previous mouse ko, medyo maliit. And this one, sakto siya sa palm ko. Sakto siya sa palad ko. So, ayan o. Lapat na lapat yung mouse. And then, ayun nga, medyo a little heavier than my previous mouse, pero that's expected kasi nga, mas malaki siya. Okay, so let's go over the parts of the mouse. So, first is, of course, yung left click and right click. And then, yung scroll or yung mag speed wheel. So, ang sabi sa website, it can scroll up to 1,000 lines in 1 second. So, ganun kabilis mag-scroll tong mag speed wheel. And then, there's a mode shift button. So, pag kinlik mo siya, mag-iiba yung mode nung mag speed wheel. So, it can go to ratchet or free spin modes. And then, there's the thumb wheel. So, you can scroll horizontally with a gentle turn of your thumb wheel. Iba-iba siya per application. So, like for example, si Photoshop, meron siyang adjust brush. Si Premiere Pro, timeline horizontal scroll. Sa browser, navigate between tabs. Sa Word, it can zoom in or zoom out. Sa PowerPoint, the same. And sa Excel naman, horizontal scroll. And then, sa Final Cut Pro, timeline horizontal scroll. So, sobrang useful nito and naka-predefine siya per application. And next, here's the part, yung back and forward, redo or undo. And then, on this last part, the gesture button. So, click and hold the button as you move the mouse to use gesture commands. You can set a gesture just like what you can do in your Apple trackpad. Syempre, iba pa rin yung trackpad ni Apple, pero at least there's still an option that you can still do that in this mouse. Also, using USB-C to charge the mouse. So, as per the website, it claims that on a full charge, it can last up to 70 days. And then, yung 1 minute mo na charge, it can last up to 3 hours. So, ganun kabilis yung quick charge nila. Okay, so we are now in the Logi Options. So, ito yung software na kailangan mong i-download para ma-maximize mo yung usage ni MX Master 3. So, in here, you can actually change each button. So, for example, this gesture command, you can launch emission control, mute, minimize windows, navigation, and kahit ano pa. So, ang dami niyang pwedeng baguhin. And then, yung point and scroll, dito mo babaguhin yung speed ng pointers, scrolling speed, scroll direction, standard or natural, free spin or ratchet. So, yan. Mapapalitan mo naman tong fixed scroll wheel sa switch mode button. And thumb wheel speed, pwede mo rin palitan. Then sa flow, if you have 2 devices na magka-connect, so pwede mo rin siyang i-set up dito. And ayun, so lahat talaga ng buttons pwede mo siyang i-adjust dito. So ayan, pwede mong palitan yan lahat. And then also, yung mga applications like for example, Final Cut. So, if you are in Final Cut Pro, so pwede mong baguhin din yung naka-map sa buttons. So ayan, ang ganda ni MX Master 3 for Mac. Sulit siya for the price. Actually, binili ko to directly from the US kasi walang mabibilan neto dito sa Philippines. Kung meron man, yung previous version yun. So, naghanap talaga ako MX Master 3 for Mac. Here sa Philippines, wala. So, binili ko siya directly from Logitech USA. Wala siyang direct delivery from USA to Philippines. So, paano ko siya napadala dito? Pinadeliver ko siya via shipping cart. So, if hindi nyo alam si shipping cart, magkakaroon ako ng separate video for that on how you can order directly from US straight to your door. So, ayan, kompleto na yung setup ko. So, this will be included in our desk setup series. So, parang ito yung pinaka-finale sa desk setup upgrade natin for now. Pero, yun, magkakaroon ako ng setup tour. Papakita ko lahat nung na-accumulate ko simula nung nakuha ko yung table. So, abangan nyo na lang yan sa mga susunod ko na videos. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you are not yet already. And smash that bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.